Welcome to our tutorial on how to view all group members on Facebook using your PC, especially with the recent updates. Let's dive right in. First, open your Facebook account. You can do this in your favorite web browser. It's just a matter of logging in with your credentials. Once you're on your homepage, look for the Groups tab on the left-hand side of your screen. This section gives you quick access to all the groups you're part of. Give it a click. Now, to see all the groups you belong to, select Your Groups. This option will display a complete list of all the groups you're currently a member of. It's a convenient way to manage your group interactions and find the right one you want to explore. Next, click on the desired group that you want to check. This will take you directly into the group's main page, where you can see posts, discussions, and all the activities happening within the group. Finally, to view all the members, locate and click on the Members tab. This section will show you the full list of members in that group, including their profiles and roles. You can easily see who's part of the community, and even discover new people to connect with. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you can easily view all group members on Facebook using your PC. These updates make it easier than ever to stay connected and engage with your community. Happy browsing!